It's okay and it's normal to get excited with the benefits, with the features that our credit card gives us. But then again, in our journey as a credit card holder, we are very excited of so many things. Pero nakakalimutan natin ang mga importanteng bagay. So ngayon, i-discuss ko sa inyo ito. Hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, so let's get down to business. First of all, it's okay and it's normal to get excited with the benefits, with the features that our credit card gives us. But then again, kailangan hindi natin makalimutan yung mga importanteng bagay. And so today, I am going to discuss with you top 5 reminders that we have to consider. Number 1, maintain a credit utilization. Ibig sabihin nun, huwag gagamitin lahat ng credit limit natin. If you could use only 30% of your credit limit, that is better. In that way, you maintain a healthy credit score and you avoid being flagged as a high-risk borrower. We have to take note that using 100% of our credit limit is a red flag para sa mga bangko. Kaya to avoid being flagged as a high-risk borrower and red flag tag, kailangan i-maintain natin ang 30% utilization or lower than 30% every month. Para nang sa ganon, ma-maintain natin ang healthy credit score. Number 2, protect your credit card information. Parang kayamanan yan na tinatago at ilalabas lang kung kailangan. So ganun dapat natin i-consider ang ating mga credit card details. Never share your credit card details to anyone. Kahit sabihin natin na, oh, for business purposes, oh, this is for official purposes. We need to have enough knowledge on the transactions that we are doing. Kailangan tayo ay observative, apprehensive, sa lahat ng bagay at sa lahat ng mga transactions na ating ginagawa. Para nang sa ganon, maprotektahan natin ang ating mga credit card information. And remember always, hindi pinapahiram ang ating mga credit cards. We have to be very, very cautious, apprehensive, and we have to be wise. Number 3, do not link your credit card to untrusted sites. Save your credit card details only on secure and reputable platforms. Always look for HTTPS. And check the reviews before trusting the sites. Importante yon. And number 4, importante rin to, enable two-factor authentication. Napaka-importante ang bagay na to. I myself, naka 2FA ako. Importante yon. Talagang hindi ko yon pwedeng baliwalain. In everything, in every transaction, naka 2FA ako. Alam nyo ba, enabling your 2FA is adding an extra layer of protection, especially when making online transactions or when accessing a mobile app. So, kailangan talagang we have to make sure na naka 2FA tayo. And then, last but not the least, number 5, sana naman hindi mangyari to, pero just in case, we have to report immediately lost or stolen credit cards. Napaka-importante yan. Yung quick or immediate reporting natin na nawala yung credit card can limit our liability and can prevent us from fraudulent charges. And it is also a way to prevent us from malicious issues. Kaya kailangan, if you lost your credit card, immediately report it to the bank. Totoo nga naman na ang dami nating dapat gawin, ang dami nating dapat i-memorize, dapat i-consider, pero importante talaga ang mga bagay na to. Ito yung mga bagay na kailangan nating i-record, isulat, i-diary, yun, para maalala natin every now and then. And kahit medyo mahirap, no? Kasi sa dami ng iniisip natin, meron pa tayong iisipin na ganito. Those are the things that we really need to consider and be aware of. So, kung kailangan natin i-record yan, kuha tayo ng record book, maliit na diary, or maliit na notebook. Ako, meron akong planner, kind of kung wala kang planner, any notebook, no, na pwede mong dalhin wherever you go, kahit hindi siya masyadong malaki, pero kapag binuksan mo, andun yung mga reminders, andun yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin or malaman, including our due date including our due date sa pagbabayad na ating mga credit card dues. Alright, so there you go. Natapos na tayo of another video. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood, sa mga nag-subscribe lately. Maraming salamat po. And sana makapag-subscribe yung iba na dumadaan lang. Sana, wag lang kayong dumaan. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo and always tap the notification bell so that you will always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Muli, maraming salamat and always remember that kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!